Hey guys, welcome back. It's literally almost Christmas and I don't have the place organized as I would like it, so I'm just gonna head out, do some shopping, just try to get the house ready for the holidays while Royal is speaking over me.
What is it fast? And this on and this much. And this
Royal, are you heading out with me today?
Yeah, I put it.
Yeah, we're gonna head out. We're gonna get some stuff for the house, some decorations hopefully. Shopping.
Yeah, shopping.
What are you showing them?
I showing them.
Huh?
Baby, so high.
I'm trying to like remodel up the whole place. I'm like getting the bottom of my chin and that ain't cute. I'm trying to remodel up the whole kitchen and the house. Change the paint. Girl, can I talk? Or you want to talk? You want to go talk for me?
Yep.
Okay, come tell them. Tell them what we're doing today.
Okay.
Okay, tell them what we're doing with her messy hair. Tell them. Tell them how you don't even want to comb it. You won't even let me touch it. It's so thick.
Yeah.
And nice. Right? Princess?
I'm princess.
Yeah, you're a princess. So you're going out with mommy. So you're going out with mommy and daddy and sister. Right?
Okay. Look, here you are.
So we're just gonna Okay, no, go get your sweater first.
Okay.
Get your sweater first. Okay, so we're gonna head out, guys. I'm just gonna get all of our stuff together. Hopefully I get to go to Ikea. And yeah, that's like one of the main places I want to get to go. Every time I'm on here, can a girl talk? So yeah, I'm here wearing one of the pieces that I wore from my previous haul. I actually really like it. It's so comfy. It turned out to be really nice. I just paired it with some tights here. Is it Aritzia? No, TNA. Is it TNA? It's that store that we used to have here in Toronto, but we don't have it anymore. But it was a really good store and I can't even remember. It snowed a bit the other day. I don't think it's that snowy today. That's why I want to try and head out today so that it's not snowing. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your bell notification so that you're always here when I do post. As you can see, I have this little one here, so it's like hard for me to even do Vlogmas, but like I'm really gonna try and do that next year. Like I really wanted to do it, but so much was going on in my life and I'm like, I'm so behind life and these kids. I commend those that can, you know, go throughout the whole 30 days of this. And yeah, we're gonna get ready, Royal.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get Kylie and we're gonna go. We're gonna do shopping and we're gonna take everybody with us, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna take everybody. Say see you soon, guys.
Bye.
We're not bye. We're gonna head out. Okay, guys? See ya
Okay.
in a bit.
How you doing?
Don't mind my makeup. I decided not to put any on today because there's just days where I just want my skin to breathe, you know? Eyebrows are messed.
No.
But it's alright. We can go outside with our eyebrows messy and bushy and ting and ting. That's not our car. That's not our car.
It's okay.
Okay. guys, we just finished shopping in Ikea. It's freezing out here, frozen.com, but hope you guys enjoyed that little shopping trip that we did. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.